We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Hello everyone, it is time for a Hakka lesson of the day.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
I hate Joseph Ling, and I want to talk about something that a lot of people are so into, including myself, the lotto. You know, a lot of countries offer the lotto, and in Taiwan, of course, for a couple of years now. And one of the most exciting things is when the lotto goes winless for many consecutive times. As a matter of fact, here in Taiwan, I think the record is 7, and the prize money, the jackpot, was like in the millions and billions. So today, I want to invite Alice to talk about the lotto and perhaps bring good luck to everyone. 希望透过今天的这个 Hakka lesson 呢，可以带给大家一点好运好了，因为要讲乐透。
哇，太樂透啊！
樂透就是樂透嗎？抽啊！那你買過樂透沒有啊？
有啊，馬上冇買過呢。你冇買過啊？
我當然有啊。
抽啊！韓國啊，見每一張要買樂透呢？
今天要去買樂透嗎？
剛才去買過。
你剛剛才去買過啊？
現在買過誒。
怎麼會想要去買樂透呢？
因為我嘅運動好啊。
啊？運動吼，你運動很好哦。有的時候真的買樂透要一家一家的跑，尤其在趕那個8點鐘，然後跑過去再買一張，再買一張。你要運動好嗎？為什麼運動好？你為什麼？
我嘅運動好，我的運很好，一早就講我嘅運氣動好。
啊，我今晚聽有啊，哦，動就是很嘛啊，運動好就是運很好。Oh, Alice was just telling me that she feels that she has good luck. That's why she bought the lotto today. I thought she said she was good athletically speaking. And that's why she can run from one booth to another. 那如果說我要問朋友說，你樂透買了沒？怎麼說？
你買樂透嗎？
Okay, if you want to ask any friends, if you have bought the lotto ticket yet.
你買樂透嗎？
樂透嗎？
你買了樂透嗎？
Oh, okay, so that's how you say it. And 樂透 is lotto. 你買就是 have you bought. Oh, all right. And 剛剛是講運動好是運氣好 that means good luck. 如果運動唔好是這樣子嗎？
就這個運動唔好啊。
運動唔好 OK 這就是運不好。
運唔好啦。
所以今天不想買。
你運唔好，我運動好。哎呀。
Hold on. I'm gonna go buy a lotto ticket. Wait a minute. Alice is showing me the victory sign. 2 double twos. All right. I'm gonna go for 22 tonight. Good luck to you. That does it for our Hakka lesson of the day.
師傅太假。
俺只say張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製，邀您一起體驗另一種不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Council for Hakka Affairs of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.